What if there was a song that started off like boop 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 boop, and the bass went like boom boom boom, and the drums would go like. There's something missing. There should be like a weird sound effect. Just a random noise or something like that. Here, let me turn this light on. Oh my God. Okay, I know this is really, really weird, but I just want to... There. Here's the light switch sound. Turn me on a night switch. This is actually kind of dope. I'm freaking out right now. Why you turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. I don't wanna fight this, so you know how to just... What if there was a guitar that went bang, bang, bang? And there's got to be like some sort of plucky guitar that goes bum 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 bum. Wow wow. All of a sudden I'm mesmerized. I think it sounds good without the drums. All of a sudden I'm hypnotized. It needs the drums. All of a sudden I'm hypnotized. You're the one that I can't deny. Every time that I say I'm gonna walk away, you turn me on like a light switch. When you're moving your body around and around. You turn me on like a light switch. When you're moving your body around and
I'm a doer. Please save the song and I'll finish it. Link in bio.
You turn me on like a light switch. What if there was a guitar that sounded like this? I need like an annoying ning 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 ning. Ja 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 ja. It's literally my record label calling.
Come on, Charlie, you're almost done with the song.
Jeff, I gotta finish the bridge. I'm literally making a TikTok right now.
Like, come on, stop making TikToks.
Why did he keep saying come on? Come on, come on, come on. Uh-oh. Come on, come on, come on and show me how you do. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on and show me how you do. On like a light switch. When you're moving your body around, you turn me on like a light switch. I really do have to finish this song. What if it started off like I wanna be the last thing. No. Oh, I never wanna be the... Absolutely not. Wow, that truly sucks. Jake.
Yo.
I have no idea how to start this song off.
What if you did it in the beginning, and then you went 7:30?
I love that. I'm calling J Cash now to figure out the lyric. Cash. So right now the melody is 7:30.
It's gotta be like, why you calling at 11:30 when you only wanna do me dirty?
Yeah. Why you calling at 11:30 when you only wanna do me dirty? But I hit right back 'cause you got that, yeah.
I wrote the next part to light switch in the shower today.
That sounds so good. Listen to this.
You turn me on like a light switch. When you're moving your body around and around, you got me in a tight grip.
Jeff, what do you want? I'm in the middle of something.
Charlie, where is light switch?
I just finished the second half of the chorus.
Charlie, do you realize people are making fake versions of the song? We have to get this done.
What do you mean fake versions?
Go on YouTube now. There's 100 fake light switches.
How have I not seen any of this? Jeff, I know you wanted to get it out in November, but I'm not rushing anything.
Charlie, if we're gonna get it out this side of the year, you gotta get it done.